Good morning, student. Today we'll do how to draw under root 2 on the number line. So look at, this is one right angle triangle, okay? And we know that in right angle triangle that h square equals to p square plus b square. So here h equals to, we know that root under p square plus b square. Now, how to get a root under 2? So, this is very important one. Root under 2, we can get it through. If we will take p is 1, 1 square, and b is also 1, 1 square, then we are getting 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So, in this way, we can get any one of the irrational number on the number line. Okay. Now, here p is 1 and b is 1. So, how to start? For that, we will take one scale. We'll take 1 unit. Either we can take 1 centimeter from this side, or we can take 1 inch. So obviously this 1 inch is more than 1 centimeter, so we'll take this 1 unit as 1 inch. Okay, so how to do? First you make the number line here, make one line, then take the middle point here as O, which is the, now from here we'll take 0 to 1. Okay, take it 1. This one is our A. This unit is our 1 unit. Since we have from this uh, line that root 2 equals to p1 and b1, so we have taken the base 1 unit. Now at the point A we'll take 90 degree. I have seen many videos where they have not used this compass, so every time you must use this compass to draw 90 degree here. This is very important one. Okay, without a compass do not make any construction. So first you make 90 degree. Now draw 90 degree here. Then again the p, the perpendicular is 1, so we take 1 unit here also, take 1 unit, and then from here we'll make one line, take arc and make that line. Now take this point as B, join this O to B, then take O as center and B as the OB as radius, and make one arc which will touch this number line. So make one arc which will touch this number line. We are getting here again, look at here, we'll take OB as radius, O as center, and make one line, make one arc which will touch the number line. This one is our C, take that point C. Now you just measure this value OC. OC is our coming here 1.6. Okay, 1.6, and we have taken 1.6 here. So next you write down the value of root 2. Whatever measurement is coming, you write down here, which is the value of OC. This is the way we can draw root 2. Now the question is that how we can draw root 5. If the question is coming how we can draw root 5, so root 5 again you arrange it. We can draw root 5 as, if we'll take here 2, then 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square is 4 and 1 square is 1. So here that in this way we can draw root 5 when we'll take base as 2 unit and perpendicular as 1 unit. How we can draw under root 10? Under root 10 we can do like 3 square plus 1 square. It means either we can take base as 3 unit and perpendicular as 1 unit. So this is the way we can do. Next, how to make root 3 from here? So root 3 from here we can take, look at, this is our root 2, OB is our root 2 coming. Then how root 3 will be coming? So root 3 equals to, if we'll take root 2 whole square plus 1 square, it will become root 2 square is 2 plus 1 3. So this is our base. Now here we'll draw at the point B, we'll draw 90 degree. In this point we'll draw 90 degree. Okay, and then